Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application, and then here click on the search pool and enter the Ampere. And now how to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app, click here yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and here you can see the information with our device battery temperature. In my case that's 31.5 degrees, and here also we can find other information about our device model, Android version, and another information about the level, capacity, health of our battery, and more other info. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.